In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a user story in Jira. To get started, open your Jira dashboard and navigate to the project where you want this story to live. This is important because every story belongs to a specific project, and creating it in the right place helps keep your team's work organized from the very beginning. Once you are inside the correct project, look to the top navigation bar and click the Create button. This opens the issue creation window where you will enter all the key details for your new user story. In the work type dropdown, select Story. Choosing the correct work type matters because Jira uses issue types to help teams track different kinds of work. A story is typically used to represent a feature, requirement, or piece of value that needs to be delivered. Next, move to the Summary field and enter a clear title for your story. Keep this short but descriptive so anyone scanning the backlog can quickly understand what the story is about. After that, add more context in the description field. This is where you can explain the requirement in more detail, including what needs to be done and any important notes the team should know. The more clear and specific you are here, the easier it will be for others to understand and refine the work later. Then click the Assignee field and choose a person from the drop-down. Assigning the story helps indicate who is currently responsible for owning or reviewing the task. You can also add labels. Labels are useful for categorizing work and making stories easier to filter later, especially in larger projects with many items in the backlog. Next, add a parent if your team uses parent-child relationships to organize work. This can help connect the story to a larger feature, epic, or broader initiative. Set the due date using the calendar picker. Then add a start date as well. These dates help with planning and visibility, especially if your team tracks schedules closely. After that, select the sprint from the drop-down. If your team is working in agile sprints, this step ensures the story is placed into the correct iteration for development. Before creating the story, take a moment to check all the options and review the details carefully. Make sure the summary is clear, the description is complete, and all planning fields are filled in accurately. A quick review now can save time and prevent confusion later. Once you are satisfied with everything, click the Create button at the bottom of the window. Your story will now appear in your project's backlog or timeline, ready to be refined, prioritized, and scheduled for development. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.